Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello everyone and welcome to my creative African cooking channel Ndudu by Fafa. My name is Fafa Gilbert and thank you all for your likes, your comments, your encouragement, your condolences. Thanks. Yes, Ghana was great. Of course, it was a bittersweet experience, yes. But I do appreciate each and every one of you and I do miss you guys, absolutely. Now, you know what? Of course, I had to have my fresh tilapia when I went home. Yes, and you believe what I did to it. You need to watch to the end to find out. Anyway, let's start cooking. So today I've got this tilapia, or in Ewe as we say, akpa ntolo. I'm going to grill this akpa, this tilapia. Yes, I know, right? Now, what I love about it is how fresh it was. You know, you don't usually get that because you get the frozen type in the diaspora. So once you actually go home and you get the fresh ingredients, you know, you make the most of it. So I've got my fish here and I'm slanting it in terms of when cutting the slits. Reason is because I'm actually going to be adding my spices and it's going to infuse perfectly. So I've got my holy grill. I've got my ginger, onion, aniseed. This time I've actually included garlic as well. Now the reason why I've included garlic in this is because I'm going to be wrapping this in the wache leaves. If I wasn't going to do that, then I would omit the garlic because when garlic burns, it has a bitter taste and that just changes the flavor of the dish. So definitely, if you try this recipe, include your garlic and it makes a big difference. So Mom has been kind enough to plant the Ghanaian Basil in her garden. I loved it. I was just obsessed with it. I just added it to anything and everything that I could possibly add it to. And locally, it's known, or I'd say in the Ewe language, it's known as Koklo Gbe. And in the Ashanti language, it's known as Akuko Mesa. Now, if you don't have this in your house, I think you better actually find somebody who has it and plant it because it's a must-have. And it's just incredible. It's so scented and it's beautiful. I think the Nigerians call it scented leaves. So this is like something you definitely need to add to this recipe. If it happens that you are in the diaspora, you can use your normal basil, or better still, try using your Thai basil. They're equally gorgeous. So what I'm doing is stuffing my beautiful scented leaves in these slanted slits. I know, right? Slanted slits. Sounds like a wrap there of the tilapia. And now I'm actually going to wrap this beauty in my wache leaves. So bearing in mind, I've got my ginger, garlic, onion, aniseed, a bit of salt as well in there. And I've now stuffed it with my scented leaves. So whilst I've actually wrapped this in my wache leaves, what happens is it actually traps in the moisture. So the fish still gets that smokiness that it does require, absolutely. But it means that the fish also retains its moisture. Now the slants of the slits would allow the infusion of the herbs to go into the fish, which just enhances the natural flavor of the fish. So this is just incredible, you know. And also, it means that it cooks quickly. Yes. Thirdly, it means that it's easy for you to divide it into portions when it's actually ready. I've actually sold this dish to you. So now we're going to start. So as I said, perfectly marinated. Hey, I'm making sure the sauce and all the beautiful shenanigans, then the infusion, I'm adding it to it. Hey, there's no waste here, no. To wrap the fish, what I've done is used the wache leaves. I've used one to wrap it vertically and the other horizontally. So you would find the head and tail still poking out, but it still means that the middle part, which is where the fishy part is and the meaty part is going to be moist. So you end up with this beauty thing here. And then you need your rack. So I've got my fish rack here and I've placed it in, covered it, and then I've got my charcoal in my coal pot, which is lighted, so it's going to be char grilled, smoky and beautiful. So I grilled this for 7 minutes on each side. I know, right? It was just perfect. Now, bearing in mind that the heat that I used was actually quite low, as you can see here. Now, at this point, I was like, oh my God, I've burnt it. No. Because leaves also, when it burns, actually adds its extra flavor to the fish. Charlie, this food, you have to go and try it. It's barbecue season now. Yes. So you have no excuse. Look, if you're in the diaspora, just go and get your frozen one. It doesn't matter. But when you do this infusion, I'm sure you're going to be saying, thank you, Ndudu by Fafa. As I always say, this is not any other food. This is Ndudu by Fafa. Food made with love, understanding, flavors, enhancing. Koklo Gbe no tashi no you, honey. Yes. That's it. You work hard, as I always say, so you go to eat well. Now, this with some salad is, but I'll tell you what Mom made it with. Oh my God, when I finished making this, Mom surprised me with some akpala. It was good. And I had some guests come over and we enjoyed this to our heart's content. So when I just told them, I was like, oh yes, I'm filming this and I'm just sending this out. They're like, oh yes, can't wait. So I hope you all comment on it anyway. Now, if you are based in Ghana, you have no excuse or no reason not to actually create this recipe for you to enjoy. When you finish, come and thank me, because I'll tell you what, this is the best grilled tilapia you're going to ever have. Yes, I said it. Now, if you don't have access to the wacha leaves, if let's say you're in the diaspora, you can use your banana leaves. Absolutely. You can get them from most Asian shops as well as most African shops as well. So yeah, I'm quite curious. Now, usually when you do have your grilled tilapia, what do you have it with? Is it banku, kenke, yam, whatever? Just leave comments below. So now, after grilling for 7 minutes on each side, you end up with this beauty. Look at this. Look, I told you, look at the moisture. Look at that heat. It's just beautiful. You just carefully remove the leaves. That's just beautiful. At this point, I've drizzled it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Yes, you can omit this, and whilst it's still warm, I'm sprinkling it with the Ghanaian Basil. So it's just going to be still scented. So I'm reviving that flavor again. It's aromatic, it's smoky, it's fishy, it's tilapia. This is what's called je food. In LA, je. Una. Ndudu abilu akpabi akplate ha nke ni ebe o fane where you dane na bang we ni bre ana just say wa bacho wo de kwadwa ne so ne ko to tilapia ne ye bi unza. Now, thanks to Lumiere Woman, I ended up with this beautiful outfit, and I hope you do like it. I'll leave links at the bottom as well in the description box, and you can actually just contact her, so you can actually get your own dress. Gone with the wind. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't even know what you're waiting for. Please click that subscribe button for me now. Thank you. Appreciate it. And the notification button. So each time I upload a video, guess what? VIP access. It comes to you straight. No wahala. Just straight. Means that you just there now, email her, you look at it, watch, that's it. And I hope you're inspired to try the recipes as well. And I love reading your comments.